My name is Stephen Cowan. I'm Vice President of Supply Chain, Bombardier Belfast. We design, manufacture, assemble aircraft components for Bombardier and third-party customers, and we also support an aftermarket as well for our products. Obviously, the Short brothers, before they were acquired by Bombardier, had a heritage and an entrepreneurship of designing and developing products. And when Bombardier acquired us in 1989, they identified a great educational base in Northern Ireland, and which had great tradition and heritage of designing innovative products. And that's why they came to Belfast and acquired the company. Supply chain are performing very well. We're very fortunate to have a very good cluster in Northern Ireland, and we've started a journey with them using a supplier development program called Supply Chain 21st Century, SC21, which was started back in 2006, and I was one of the founding members of that back then. And the suppliers have performed very well since joining that program, moving from an on-time delivery in full of around 47% up to 98%, which is fantastic performance, and some have doubled and trebled their turnover during that period as well. We're trying to develop Tier 1 suppliers in Northern Ireland, and yesterday I believe there was an announcement with Causeway Aero, which is an attempt to start in that first run of Tier 1 suppliers where they will design, manufacture and assemble, similar to Belfast. We're very excited about the entry into service of our C-Series to Swiss, and the first commercial flight actually happens this week, flying from Zurich to Paris. But for us, the technology of the aircraft is just groundbreaking, particularly for Belfast on the wings. We're using a resin transfer infusion process, which is really bringing dry fibre and injecting resin into the autoclave directly, which has very high repeatability, very high accuracy, and very reduced cycle time for manufacturing the components as well. I think it's very, very buoyant. The suppliers that we have are starting to diversify their reliance on Bombardier. They're starting to work with Airbus and other companies around the world, and it's really prospering. We have partnering a growth strategy with ADS Northern Ireland, supported with Invest Northern Ireland. So there's a big interest and a big excitement now, and with the local universities as well, and with our Northern Ireland Advanced Engineering and Composites Centre, we're really pushing the boundaries of design and innovating products.